living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Nova? Nova? Hey. Jesus.
Jen left JJ's yesterday to pick up the pasta salad, and one left now.
I want to see you're so excited. Watch this.
Oh, the cow.
My patience gave this to her.
No.
She's over. Like, that's nice. Are you patient, Kayla?
It's like, whoa. When she's sitting up, she throws her hands in the air. That's why. I think she's over it now.
She always
Cow.
split. Is that your friend?
Wow, look at that. Hi guys! I am back. Pupunta kami ng... Saan tayo pupunta pala?
Sa
Guadalupe River?
campsite.
Yeah. So campsite. So, ito here's MC. MC, say hi. And then Justin. Thank you. Guys, pakihanaan ng volume. Joke lang.
Hindi na ako nga eh.
Joke.
I'm aware
Joke lang.
of the social cues.
Alright guys.
Social gathering.
It's gonna be a fun day. I'll see you guys there. Mamaya. Bye-bye.
Liquid. Special shout. Tapos, doon ako sa mga people. Sa totoong proud shout.
Hi guys! Now we're here at the resort. Dito na kami. Look. It reminds me of Pinas. I'll show you guys soon. Like, it was a hammock. Our cottage looks like this. Here's Jen. Here's Justin. Say hi to Justin, guys. And this baby Nova. Our precious little princess. She's gonna be a future Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu vlogger. And there's Iwi. MC.
Hoy!
There's 1/3 of the Prebalita. Here's our setup. Yeah, look at the river. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you some more. Ah, looks so clean. Look. So clean. Yeah, I wonder if I'm gonna take a... Oh, there's fishes! Look! I don't know if you can see. Ah, I lost them. But there's fishes. There's fishes. Somewhere there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take a dip, but it's looking like it. I'm so excited. For the food today, we're gonna have inihaw or a grilled food. There's chicken. There's grilled fish. What else? But yeah, I'll show you guys later.
Aba.
Yun!
Lock this door.
Continue. Stop it.
Char, may discard pa pala ako.
Pasok ko yung nanay ko na isang araw. Sabi niya, street smart ka pa. Hindi mo. Kala ko tumawid ako sa Roosevelt. Nastak ako sa gitna. Si Sarah tinawanan ako puto.
Ay, barbecue steak. Huwag natin tapon yung barbecue steak.
Bakit? Kasi
For
may
the
isang
hotdog.
Yan, sabi niya wag mo kagatin.
Ayaw bang hatinin? Yung steak. Tapos may paano na hotdog.
Hahabaan ko na lang yung isa.
Hindi, lagyan mo lang mas marami sa isang steak. Babalik naman yun pagka umuwi ka.
Ayun si Tata. Oh, wave. Wave kay Tito MC. Hi. Wave. Hi, Tito MC.
Luto naman to, di ba?
Oh, ngiti na.
Wave kay Tito MC.
Yan.
Wave kay Tito
Yan, yung
MC.
pinangan.
Nakita si Jen. Habal kay Jen.
Siguro, Brad.
Hindi gumagana.
So. Saan ka na? Okay. Sige, sige. Ingat, nandito na kami. No rush.
Wait, Mommy's doing something. Oh, lalapit na ako na.
Wala problema yan. Nagpapabaga pa ako dito. Siguro, Brad.
Mahina.
So,
Hindi, malakas.
siguro mga 4 to 5 minutes para mas lumila. Tapos, pag ito. Hey, chat. Forgot to bring a
Garbage can. Mga garbage
What
bag.
would be the best
Justin.
time to cook or grill? Check in on each side. Alone.
For grilled chicken, it generally depends on the cut and thickness. For boneless, skinless chicken breast, you usually grill them for about 6 to 8 minutes per side over medium-high heat. For bone-in chicken pieces, thighs or drumsticks, it might take around 10 to 12 minutes per side. The most important thing is to make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees.
10 minutes. Pero Brad, tingnan mo kasi basa eh. So baka mapagod.
Oy, okay na to? Or
Okay na yan.
damayan ko ba?
Okay na yan. May plato tayo, Justin. Malandi. Ayun. Ayun.
Ato?
Siguro ano daw, 19 minutes away. Sige.
Ganda ng river, may isda.
Gusto mo niwain natin? Wala tayo chicken.
Plastic.
Saan sila, Troy?
Pumunta sila sa ibang Sans River Ranch. Kamali sila ng punta.
Sino?
Sila Troy.
Nalito.
Labas kayo sila.
Sila Troy. Troy Bolto. Alam mo kung short tayo ng stick, nakita mo yung Justin, yung parang hack, nakita mo sa Instagram na pag ganun, patulog ganyan. Ganun, para madali lang niya yan.
Ay, malinis kamay ko.
Hindi nga akong hugas.
Sarap lang, madumi. So wala lang bulbul.
Ay, 3 stick na lang.
Pero pag ito ba? Maganda ka, Lon.
Alam kong may pinagdadaanan ka. Kapit lang.
Worth it mo to, kay Miguel. Haharapin natin yung mga magulang mo. Sa tamang panahon.
Magkano pinabayaran mo per month sa phone? 25?
16 na. Wala kang 20 kasi bigay ko phone ko sa mama ko. Ay na, mura lang pala yung battery. $99 without insurance. 90. So mga 99 na rin tapos.
Pinapalta mo?
Pero wag muna ngayon kasi sobrang daming tao. Pero 2 hours tapos na. Bigay ko lang sa mama ko. Nag-request na siya ng gamit ko.
Bala ko lang papalitan ng battery yung ano.
Dalitan mo lang. Dali lang. Bilis lang. 2 hours lang. Punta ka ng... Ano yung pinakamalapit?
Barton Creek.
Ay, sa may 360 ba yun?
Pero gusto ko sa dami.
Huwag ka na sa domain, pero pasal-pasal ka.
Shortcut yun.
Tapos di mas busy sa domain. Di masyado busy. Sagad ko na lang ito. Ito, stick.
Gagawin yung technique moves daw. Saan mo binili itong Tender Juicy?
Uy,
Iba pa rin sa Pilipinas. May parang ano, may parang... Yung sa Pilipinas parang alam mo magkaka-cancer ka, pero masarap. Dito parang ang linis eh. Cheese dog. Anong brand yung cheese dog? Hindi Tender Juicy eh.
Tender Juicy din ako.
Meron din CDO.
CDO yung masarap.
CDO.
Pero Tender Juicy kami. Cheese dog.
Alam mo, naging pasyente ko yung may-ari ng CDO.
tubig ba to or gas?
Tubig. Oh, guno to Nazi. Concentration ka.
Nakakalungkot yung...
Kapag ganun ka, let's lighten up the mood.
Tangina kasi nung pumunta kami ni Tyler, yan yung away niya ni Cold Papi. Nanonood kami habang nanalo pa si Cold Papi nun.
Buti wala masyadong tao.
Imagine ko to kahapon siguro. Guys, gusto yung Trader Juice?
Trader Juice.
Ah, sila.
White truffles.
Here's Trader Joe's, guys. Trader Joe's.
Sida pala.
Record ko
Ay, hindi. Mute ko. Ano ko yan eh. Lagyan ko ng
Ibababasa ako.
music. MC, paki-press na lang muna. I-ano mo na. Yung red button. I-hold. Ay, one tap lang. Oy, Jen, careful! It's slippery.
Thought there was gonna be a crazy animal or
Falling snakes. Did you see that thing? There's falling snakes. There, snakes will fall from the tree. Oh, Nova, your first river experience?
for a sec.
Oh, make it her first for the video. No, just kidding.
It's her first.
She's shy. Are you?
Like where we could put chairs
Oh, really?
because it's so shallow here.
Have y'all been here before?
I've been here one other time in March,
Mm.
and there wasn't this much vegetation.
Probably because like we got a lot of like rain
Yeah, but it
recently.
looks like it's squash or something.
Which one? Oh, in the middle? It does look like
Kinda
squash.
looks like
I wouldn't be surprised people planted that here. Yeah. No, look at it. She's shy. You gotta get used to it, Nova, because this is Filipinas weather.
It's our second time here. I can just imagine on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks familiar, is it? Tender juicy hot dog grilled, and then pig's face or ears? Both. Tenga. Huh?
This spam with barbecue
Spam with
sauce,
sous
or teriyaki sauce.
Uh-huh.
We mixed it up. Put a mirin, like a Japanese rice wine,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar? Okay.
Justin
and then
makes-
I have a molder.
I was wondering that. That's the part where I was like, how do you do the triangle?
Thank you, Justin. Look, guys, it looks so cute.
Dapat may oil.
Ah,
May oil naman to. Laking ko na lang.
let's try it.
This weekend, don't care if we throw it out after.
Mmm.
St.
Sarap.
David's?
Yeah.
Stop, Justin.
Perfect. Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
can put it on there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Girl stuff. That.
Cheers.
Yeah.
You'll give that away?
Yeah, like they gave. I don't even think I've ever eaten those barbecue.
They're new.
They're old new. Like I never done.
Filipino way. Pilipinas way.
You can park here and unload.
Dami na ating ulam. Sapo.
Sarap.
Di ba makatingin, no? Hey, Leah, are these boudin?
You got sausages, jalapeno sausages, and some grilled pineapples. Try niyo ba to, guys? Grilling pineapple. It's kind of good. The sugar, sometimes you put sugar or syrup in there and then it caramelizes it.
Lasang hapon. Ano yung paghapon, tapos magkateng.
No!
Gago.
Ano ba yun? Yo, say hi! Hi! Ano daw?
May dual capture. Ano yun?
Kami, tayo tatlo.
Up ba yun? Up?
Hindi. Kasali na sa ano.
Did you know that Samsung has that?
Hi guys! Paepal, no?
Kasi gusto mo, gumaganyan pa eh.
Hindi yung camera.
Di ba may ganun ka?
Hindi yung
Dati.
camera gumagalaw. Up guys? Hindi masyado init. Thank you, thank you. Hi! Piwi! Nova! Hi! She's saying hi! Hi, baby Nova! Hi! Hi! So yeah guys, this is the river. Ito yung river. Oh, today's wonderful. Hey baby, hello! Si Papa Baste, si Mami Trish. Nagbablog na ako.
Ay, talaga?
Oo.
Wow.
Simula na! Hey baby! Hey!
Channel mo?
Nestor!
Nestor?
Kaya Instagram ko.
Nasaan yung ano mo? DJ Austin.
Nandun, sa bag. Minsan tinatamad ako eh.
Ah, di ba mas maganda yun?
Oo.
Ito, assist lang siguro. Alaman.
Alright, it's time to go to the water. I don't want to slip. It's kind of slippery. Feels so good. Let's join Justin. Look how clean the water is. Hi. Can I join?
Why didn't you
Which one?
bring your,
DJI?
yeah, the camera?
Ah, pagod. Na.
Sarap yung tubig.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Halo. You can do it.
He's like, what is going on here?
Parang ayaw niya.
Huh?
Ng tubig. Lulubog ako mamaya.
Hello. Hello.
Naka-swimsuit ba siya? Swimsuit niya. Malamig, Mars. Masarap. Baka ganun. Mars, naka ganun.
Gusto niya.
Hindi pa siya sure.
Siya ano ba to? There's Fred.
It's vinegar, salt, and onion.
Hindi ko lang alam. Sa river, doon ako sa river.
Hindi yan eh.
Hindi, doon sa river.
Pati yun, di ba? There's no.
Eating time?
Tanong mo siguro na kanila.
Kasi sa river ka lang.
Ako sa river.
It's fast. Look, I'm eating it. Look, this one, pig ear. Come on.
It's good.
You don't want to eat a pig ear?
Ay!
Ay, tayo. Sarap yan.
Ito? Kain tayo.
Ba't mabot eh?
Let's eat, let's eat. It's good though. Cheers, cheers.
Sarap ng sipon.
Perfect yung sweet pakaluto, yo.
Yung sipon, sarap. Masarap tayong yung sauce mo. Paano mo ginawa yun?
Oo. Did you put sugar in it?
Sugar. Ito nga lang pagkasukan.
May ketchup? Wala?
Ano yung sauce?
Yung parang papaha mo?
Teka. Pati sweet baby rice. Konting oregano. Salt and pepper. At avocado oil.
Ako to dito. Ay,
Sarap. Mas masarap yung baka pag tinasya yung paa niyo, promise. Promise.
Ano ba? Ganito kami sa probinsya eh.
Ito kami sa zone 4-3 yun.
Ganito kami sa Quezon.
ano zip code niya sa Quezon?
1114. Tama? Santa Mesa Heights.
Paklan.
Saan yun?
Sabi niya ka.
Quezon
Quezon City.
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Akala ko Quezon.
Ano ba sa'yo?
108.
108?
1008.
108.
Kami sa Marikina na 1809.
Marikin,
Malayo ba Marikina sa Quezon City?
Nga? Nakembot lang. Malaki kasi Quezon City. Kasi sobrang laki ng Quezon City.
Doon din yung PBB house, di ba?
ako dyan, Quezon City ang capital.
Dati.
Dati ba?
Tapos nilipat tayo sa Manila.
Yun na.
Saan ba yung Malacanang? Ay, Manila. Malit lang yung Manila City, di ba?
Nita. Pamuros, Pampalok.
Sarap na usda.
Person, no?
Alam mo, hindi pa ako nakapag-Malacanang pala. Pareho ba siya sa DC na hindi ka makalapit?
May mga lang.
Areas
Araw
na.
na open.
Guardia Civil.
May Guardia Civil talaga doon? Katulad ng Intramuros?
Yung nga ng sedula.
Oo nga. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok na walang sedula.
Wala ka sedula?
Wala ka ba sedula? Kinukuha lang sa barangay.
Wala ata akong sedula eh.
Paano ka naka-work sa Pilipinas?
Hindi ako nakapag-work sa Pinas eh.
Kaya pala.
Pumunta ako US agad. Hindi, nag-apply na ako ng Jollibee actually. Tapos pumunta na ako ng US.
Pero hindi ka pinakuha ng sedula?
NBI clearance.
Wala ka sa
At saka barangay clearance. Yan ba yan?
Wala ka sa... Hindi ko...
Ito ka tumatawa, may sedula talaga, loko.
Pinapakuha ko ng sedula pag magbabar
Tin,
ka.
tin, di ba?
Sa barangay.
Sa barangay.
Totoo ba yan, guys?
Ano?
Totoo ba yan? Fake news ba yan?
Kulit mo, tinatawanan mo kami.
Ako pinakuha ko sedula para makapag-apply sa Marikina.
Tapos, pupunitin? Char. Punitin ang sedula. Ganun ba yun?
16 pesos nun eh.
Yes, ah.
Hindi kasama na yan, parang
Hindi.
tin tax, di ba?
Saka iba, i-check ko mga na sedula.
Oo.
Cheers, guys. Joke kayo ah.
Nalitataka pa sa atin.
Alam mo, nag-ano kami, lolo ko.
I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again. Hey.
Ano, buong araw ako magluluto ito. Pagod na pagod na yun.
Sino ba?
Kaya na puro river rock ko bibigyan.
Is it rocks, maybe? Ay, si Tito MC, oh.
Hawakan mo. Bahala ka, matsuchoke ka niya. Bahala ka. Isip-tipin niya hanggang batong nasa bibig mo.
Bukas na ba matapos?
Ha? Huwag ko chok, bahala ka buwan mo. Sumot sa nanay mo.
Sarap na. Fresca.
Sarap, no?
Fresca.
Suwako. Kain tayo, Bisa!
Mo ah.
Iba yung ano, kutsura ni Pili.
Nagmamachot.
Hindi, tama yan. Tama lang yan, tama lang yan. Yung isda, ang sarap. Salamat.
Okay.
Squid.
Mexico. Y'all down to eat?
That's so nice. So good, eh?
Just eat the chicken.
Oh.
Better than river rock, huh?
With the shell?
Oh, you took the shell off. But what we do is we suck at it.
We had this at your house. I think Charles was here.
Mm-hmm.
You were there.
I don't know.
230. 240.
Is that your camera, Charles?
Yeah.
Wow, what is that?
It's a DJI
Are you
Pocket
doing
3.
ASMR eating right now?
Yeah, with just a fan like to the.
And it extend like a stick?
Yeah. I didn't put an attachment, but say hi to Troy.
Try the fresh blend, so good.
That's cool.
Yeah, fresh. It's so fresh.
Taas na yung ano. Si Justin. Wala na. Nakataas na yung isang paa.
Lumuluwag ang buhay pag nakalas pa.
Yung tira.
Walang stretch hirap. Yung bilbil ko naiipit.
One more.
Ba't tira ka sa pit?
Lulu.
Magiging flexible na.
Gago.
As the fish.
Cut na isda niyo.
What's the most solid food? What's the most solid food of pig? A rock?
She did put a rock in her mouth, spit it out, put a few rocks in her mouth.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in the river.
No one's,
Picking them up.
no one's eating.
She's had salmon. She's had chicken.
Oh, chicken.
She's had burger, like beef. I've given her meatballs. She's had rice.
Chicken's worse than pork.
Works?
Yeah, I mean, chicken's like more texturized and more protein.
Yeah, she said salmon, chicken, pork, beef.
Oh, everything.
Let her eat.
Yeah. Advance.
What's on the meat? Like there a lot of salt.
Advance ang ano. Advance ang anak. Hindi, tama yun.
Enfamil. Hey, alam mo, may nagpa-deliver ng Enfamil dun sa apart. Sa amin. Naalala ko tuloy kayo. Enfamil. Hindi. Sa locker namin, makikita mo yung mga package sila eh. Kasi may malaking box ng Enfamil. Ito yan.
And some of them are bread.
Next one.
So, ito dyan.
Guys, say hi to baby Halo. Si Daddy oh. Vlogger din to si Daddy dati. Nag-ano sila? Nag-escapade. Follow nyo guys. Ito, ililink ko yung gago. Ililink ko to yung channel niya dito. Channel.
Sa po.
Sa Japan ba?
Morning guys. It's morning after the weekend. It's Monday, and I didn't get the chance to do an outro when I got home yesterday. I'm in my kitchen having coffee, and I'm also waiting for my IT department because I got locked out on my work email again because it's always changing. The password's always changing. But anyways, I had fun. And I hope you guys had fun, right? With all the bloopers and all the things that has happened last week. Yeah, to recap, there's a lot. We had a pizza night for the Some Right Turn Pretty finale. I don't watch the show, but I've seen season 1, some of season 1, and then just skip to the finale of the series. And yeah, I still have the same opinions. Belly is still very toxic. But anyways, whatever sells. I had a lot of pizza. And yeah, we ate at a Brazilian steakhouse. I got my new phone. And I tried to be a food vlogger and that didn't work out. Me and Pee-wee, I went over and stayed at Pee-wee's and we made another episode of our podcast. And unfortunately, some parts may not be posted because one of the people that was there, Pee-wee's neighbor, he didn't want that part of him be included in that episode. So I had to edit out a good chunk of it. I had to edit out a good chunk of it, and I got to work out with Pee-wee and had great conversations with him. Yeah, one biggest takeaway too, like before this outro is getting longer and longer. Before I end this video is I'd like to share something, some big lesson. I think 2 big lessons I learned this week, and one is that if something's bothering you, whether it's making you anxious, it's taking over space in your head, maybe take a step back and try to think about it. Like, how important is this thing? Is this something that you should be avoiding, or is this something that you should be confronting and resolving? Yeah, you could go those ways, and one way or the other, you're gonna find a resolution. It's always like that, and pray for it. The second is there's this line that have been said over and over again this past week. I've learned this lesson a couple weeks ago. The price of community is inconvenience. What it translates to is for you to be a part of something, for you to be involved in something, there has to be some kind of inconvenience from yourself, meaning you have to make some sacrifices. Kaya nga, like when you hang out with your friends, you hang out with your loved ones, just for that small circle, there's always a give and take. There's always a push and pull. There's always overtaking, overlapping, stepping back, pushing forward, or push and pull. It's never always a one way. you have to take a part of yourself and share it with them, for you to be a part of them as well. And same goes with them. It's never gonna be like parang one way, diba? It's so beautiful because like as human beings we get lost in all these things, and sometimes like the balance tips off to one side or the other so much. But yeah, and it also translates to the bigger aspects of our lives, like the community that we want to serve in, being a part of an organization. Kaya nga, like you have to make sacrifices to be part of them. Yeah, like including me. Like if I want to be a mentor, I have to like uh serve for an hour or two, seeing my mentees. It may be a lot to some people, but for me, I think it's like it's a good chunk. And it's the least I can do for a month, and help my community. And yeah, that's it. And that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a great week ahead of you, and I'll see you guys till the next video. All right, bye.